Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra and I'm the owner of beyondglamhair and beauty studio, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this Zendaya red copper color. So basically it's just a wig, and I will send this picture by my beautiful client, and she was like, can you make me a wig like this? And I said, of course. So then I thought, you know what, why don't I just film the process and show you guys? So yes, you guys stay tuned and let's get coloring. Also guys, thank you so much for my new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now and leave a comment. So I'm back using my favorite peroxide and bleach. So I'm going to be using Maxima. So I'm using Maxima peroxide and Maxima bleach. I'm going to be using 100 peroxide and 5 scoops of Maxima bleach. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be bleach bath this unit first before I apply the toner. So there's 5 scoops, and then I'm going to be adding water, just a little bit of water. Then I'm going to be using a shampoo. I mean, you can use any shampoo just to mix it. And then you mix all of it together. So basically you're mixing bleach, water, peroxide and shampoo. So you mix until it's just nice. It's nicely mixed. Sorry guys, I'm literally at the back in our color room in our salon. It's really small, so just bear with me because I don't really want to get color at the front of the salon, so that's why we always do our color in the back. So what we're doing right now is I'm going to be separating, sectioning the wig, and I'm going to start from the back and then just make my way to the top, section by section. Because it's bleach, I'm going to start from the bottom and make my way to like the top. So applying the bleach on the end. It's just a bleach bath, so I'm using my hands just to make sure that every single part of the hair is covered in bleach. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just going to be doing that all over the hair. And then I'm making my way to the front. Don't worry guys, I'll show you what the top looks like. But I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing first. And then once I get to the top, I'll direct the camera to the top so you guys can see clearly, like, you know, how I'm applying the color, or should I say the bleach bath to the top. So now when I get to the top, I'm very careful not to get bleach onto the scalp because I've already bleached the knot. So I don't want to double put bleach on it, and then it's gonna kind of like weaken the frontal. So you have to be very, very careful when you're doing the top. So the tone I'm going to be using today is the Majirouge. It is part of the Majirouge L'Oreal colors. And the reason why like I'm using this because it basically Majirouge colors stay true to the color that they say it is in the chart. So whatever color that you see in a chart, like you're guaranteed to achieve that color. So especially when I'm doing my reds and stuff, I like to just stick to Majirouge because I know that the reddish colors are gonna come out exactly how I want it. But the thing with Majirouge colors is like the ratio is 1:1. Unlike, you know, Maxima gives you a bit more because Maxima, the ratio is 1:2. But with Majirouge, the ratio is 1:1. So basically it's like 100 peroxide per tube. So I'm going to be using 2 tubes. I'm going to squeeze them out and then 20% peroxide. And I'm just going to mix and apply the color. But as you can see, after stripping the color looks really nice because there's no more black. It is more like a reddish brown. So I'm going to just tone it so I can get the desired color that I want. So I'm just mixing. So it's nice and creamy paste. I'll do the same thing with the other tube. I'm mixing until it's a nice paste. Once I'm done, I'm going to section the hair again and just apply my toner. So I'm sectioning it, the 3 parts, and then we start from the back and we make our way to the top. I'm doing it section by section, just so all the hair is like covered. So this wig is Michelle Rosso wig. I actually named this wig after my client that ordered it. It was a custom made wig that I made. And because the color was so unique to her, I just thought, oh, let me just name it after her. And now let's do the front. Again, you have to be very gentle. You don't want it to be messy. You don't want to get all red color all over the lace. God, this head is so annoying sometimes. Just stay still already. Oh. Anyway, as I was saying, yeah, you just have to be very gentle when you're doing the lace because you don't want to get red colors all over the lace. So I'm literally just starting from the ends of the hair and just making my way to the root. So then that way, when I get to the root, I'm very like, you know, careful not to get the color onto the lace. But yeah, I'm so excited. Like, I can't wait to see the end result. I left the color on for 45 minutes and now it is ready to be washed. So guys, this is the end result. Like, seriously though, sometimes I am so amazed at myself. This is beautiful. This color is nice. It's warm. Like, hey, I think I'm probably going to even do one for myself for my birthday, because this is lit, 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 lit. Okay guys, please remember to subscribe and leave a comment.